Hello children, I hope you all are studying well and eating well, staying fit, staying healthy. So children, are you trying to find more information apart from the things that we are learning in GK? Alright, so now like we have toppers in school, similarly in the animal kingdom also there are toppers. So let's look at the animal toppers in this chapter. Okay, so look at the pictures, read the clues and tick the correct names of the animals. Okay, the first one, which is the heaviest snake, that is the anaconda. Okay, anaconda is the heaviest snake. Second is the largest bat. It's the flying fox. It's the largest category of bats. Highest flyer. Okay, the highest flyer is the C option, bar-headed goose. The largest living animal is the whale. Largest spider, it is the tarantula. And the deepest diver, you look at the picture, you come to know it's the emperor penguin. Okay, they are flightless birds. Okay, they cannot fly. They're flightless birds. You find them more into regions which are really very cold, like the Arctic region or the Antarctica and all, and they can dive really deep down into the water. Alright, next, largest snake. The largest snake is again the anaconda. Okay, now largest sea bird. The largest sea bird is the albatross. So, sea bird as in it flies or hovers around the sea more. Okay. Now, largest rodent is the capybara. That's the largest rodent. Rodent means it belongs to the mouse category. Okay. The rat category means they are rodents. Alright. So, children, do find out about more animal toppers like this, but before you do that, quickly finish the exercise.